Hello and welcome to this video on Edge Computing 101, what it is and why it matters. Edge computing is a new way of processing data that brings the power of the cloud closer to the devices that generate the data. Instead of sending all the data to a centralized location, such as a data center or a cloud, edge computing allows data to be processed at the source, or the edge, of the network. To understand why this is important, let's take a look at a simple example. Imagine a network of security cameras installed in a building generates high-resolution video feeds that need real-time analysis. Sending all the feeds to a central location would overwhelm the network and cause delays. But with edge computing, the video feeds are analyzed by a small device, known as an edge node, that is placed near the cameras. The edge node has the power to analyze video feeds in real time and send only relevant data to central locations, reducing data sent over the network and increasing efficiency. This is just one example of how edge computing can be used. Edge computing offers benefits such as reduced latency, increased efficiency, and scalability. In addition to security cameras, edge computing is useful in IoT, AVs and industrial automation, and as the amount of data increases, it's essential for networks. Another reason edge computing is being embraced is the ability to process data where there is no connectivity to the cloud or internet and can operate in offline mode. In conclusion, edge computing is a new way to process data closer to the source, reducing latency, increasing efficiency, and increasing security, making it important in modern networks and in a wide range of applications. We hope you found this video informative and thank you for watching.